This is my Chevalier beer, 86 IBU. It's designed as an English IPA. It's a full Chevalier and Goldings beer, so it's pretty much a smash beer. But it's 6.5% English IPA, which is tasting pretty good already. And it's been in the keg, what, 2 weeks now? Once that ages out a little bit, then it's going to let the bitterness will die down and the malts will come through more. There's quite a lot of residual sweetness you get with Chevalier malts, which this certainly has. It's certainly got some flavours coming through. The stone fruit, the apricots, and then you get the nice earthy English hops of the Goldings that come through, the spicy earthiness, and a nice assertive bitterness that lasts well into the finish and drags you back in for another sip. It's a very nice beer. It's only going to get better as it ages. There's a quick shot of a one-handed pour. No, maybe not one-handed pour. This is how it's coming out. You can see the colour.